probably should have done.
Is it on now?
Yes.
Hi. Oh, yeah, this is Sarah. Say hi, Sarah. She's cool. She reads the bomb. I mean, she reads like the bomb. Oh, I'm taking really fast. Oh, go over to Tatiana.
I can't zoom in. How do you zoom
It
in?
doesn't zoom in.
It doesn't?
Well, it does, but not on video.
That sucks. Mine does.
That's Tatiana. And, oh,
I think
Amelia doesn't love her salad. Amelia, throw the salad down. Oh, she stuck it to that salad. The salad is weeping now.
Where'd my soda go? Here it is.
Penny and ever so many
Ooh.
are taken by Josh Allen Bearing. And just as a few are allotted to you,
What is that from?
with Shutter Despairing.
What? Oh, good.
It's for speech.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm not in that yet, so I'm taking that next semester.
Opera.
That sounds fun. Hey, Renee, aren't you taking classical literature next semester?
No, next year. You have to be a junior.
What is that class like?
Apparently, I know it has like at least one Shakespeare play,
Oh, fun.
and I don't know. I think it might have myths. I don't know.
American literature is really boring. Like, we were watching this really stupid movie, and it's really boring, and it's all about Pocahontas, and I was studying biology for the movie, and I think I got all my questions right on my phone.
And now your teacher will know why you weren't watching the movie.
Yes, he will.
Because he wanted to.
Who wants some Cheetos?
Me!
I'm taking 2. Sarah likes Cheetos. I'm taking 2 English classes this semester and 2 social studies classes next semester, and I don't really know why.
I'm gonna watch her eat the
Why didn't you
Cheetos.
just play? What? Except not to. Wait, what social studies class are you?
I'm taking European Studies and Multicultural America next semester.
Won't it be hard though?
Probably. Like, oh, wait, I think I'm taking European Studies. Did I say that? I think I did.
Yes, you did.
Okay.
I like European studies. It's fun.
Okay. Who teaches it?
Miss Shepherd. She's a good teacher.
The most amazing teacher on the planet.
She's funny.
I love
If you're watching this, Miss Shepherd, we love you, but not that way.
I think Tatiana had her last year. Her social studies.
Maybe she went.
I mean, American Society. We don't take social studies here.
No.
We do, but
They're not called.
I have a foot. Yes, I do. It's got the skull sock on it. How about you? That didn't work. My foot's gonna run away in shame.
Wait, look. Oh, those are my cool shoes.
I can't see them. I can't zoom in. Gosh.